Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier for automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Zapier for automation, begin by navigating to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Provide your email address and create a secure password. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Click on the Create Zap button to start a new automation. You will see a Choose App and Event section. Select the app you want to trigger the automation. For example, if you want to use Gmail, search for and select it. Next, choose the specific trigger event from the list provided. After selecting your trigger, click Continue. Now, connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Gmail. Once authorized, click Continue to set up your trigger. Test the trigger to ensure it pulls in data correctly. After a successful test, click Continue to move to the action step. Select another app where you want to send the data. For instance, you might choose to send a message to Slack. Next, select the action event that corresponds with your goal. Connect your Slack account to Zapier in the same way you connected Gmail. Once connected, click Continue. Customize the details of the action using the data pulled from the trigger. You can personalize messages, select channels, and more. After setting everything up, click Continue to review your Zap. Test the entire automation to confirm it works as expected. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap is now live and will run automatically based on your trigger. You can always revisit the dashboard to manage or edit your Zaps later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.